This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress without traditional web hosting, focusing on practical methods for content creation. Many people think WordPress always needs a server, but there are powerful alternatives for building and sharing your website. We will explore how you can leverage WordPress's flexibility for free or very low cost, making it accessible to everyone. This approach allows you to design and develop your site locally or generate static versions for easy deployment. One primary method involves setting up a local development environment right on your personal computer. Tools like XAMPP, MAMP, or Local by WP Engine create a virtual server, allowing WordPress to run fully without an internet connection. This provides a secure and private space to experiment, build, and refine your entire website before it ever goes public. You can install themes, plugins, and add all your content in a familiar WordPress interface, all completely offline and free of charge. Once your site is perfected in your local environment, the next step is to convert it into a static website. Plugins such as Simply Static or WP2 Static transform your dynamic WordPress pages into simple HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. This process effectively removes the need for a database or server-side scripting, drastically reducing complexity and potential security risks. The result is a lightning-fast website consisting of thousands of lightweight files, ready for easy distribution. These static files can then be deployed to various platforms that offer free or very low-cost hosting for static sites. Services like Netlify, GitHub Pages, or Cloudflare Pages are excellent choices, providing incredibly fast content delivery networks for your converted website. This method eliminates monthly hosting fees and simplifies maintenance, as there is no server software or database to update. You get a professional website that loads quickly and remains secure with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.